Welcome to this geometry lesson on translations. In this video, we will explore how to move shapes on a coordinate plane by sliding them without turning or flipping them. First, let's define what a translation is. In geometry, a translation is simply a transformation that moves every point of a figure by the same distance in the same direction. The easiest way to think about it is as a slide. The shape does not rotate, it does not reflect, and it does not change size. We can describe translations mathematically using coordinates. If we start with a point x, y, the rule for a translation is x plus a, and y plus b here. A represents the horizontal shift along the x-axis, and b represents the vertical shift along the y-axis. Let's look closer at the a value. This controls horizontal movement. If a is a positive number, we slide the point to the right. If a is a negative number, we slide the point to the left. For example, x plus 3 means moving right 3 units. Similarly, the b value controls vertical movement. If b is positive, we slide the point up. If b is negative, we slide the point down. For instance, y minus 4 means moving down 4 units. Let's practice with an example. Suppose we want to translate the point -3, 2 using the rule x plus 6, y minus 4. First, we add 6 to the x-coordinate, which gives us 3. Then, we subtract 4 from the y-coordinate, giving us -2. Our new point is at 3, -2. When translating an entire shape, like a triangle, we simply apply the same rule to every single vertex. If the rule says go right 7 and up 5, every corner of the triangle moves right 7 and up 5. The entire shape moves together. It is important to remember that translations produce congruent figures. This means the size stays the same, the shape stays the same, and all angles remain equal. The orientation, or the direction the shape is facing, also stays exactly the same. To summarize, a translation is just a slide. We use the rule x plus a, y plus b, the a value moves things left or right, and the b value moves things up or down. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.